Harper's enjoying her bike ride as we wait for her final MRI and test results at the end of treatment. It's a beautiful day here on campus.